YouTube? We're back with another video, but this time is not a POV video. I think y'all like when I talk in the video more instead of just driving. We're gonna do a review of the things I've changed on the car so far, what I plan on changing, and so forth. She's not as clean as she usually is, but we still finna do this video. The very first mod that we did, bro, was the tent. How could you not go tent first mod? Fishbowl is crazy, bro. And I also changed the lights, but my interior lights, they red. Changed the 5.0 to black. Silver was cool. Silver did stand out more, I could say. I feel like the stripes and the silver 5.0 badge kind of went better together. But at that time, I was still like, I'm gonna just black everything out on the car. I changed these side markers to like LED, white LEDs. I can't remember. I think I got them from S550 Euros, I wanna say. They complement the car good, if you ask me, especially like at nighttime. Yeah, man, if you're watching that, you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, I would greatly appreciate it if you did subscribe, man. Like the video, one or the other. Trying to get in the algorithm, man. The Euros. I got the 2018 Euro style tail lights, just so clean. And the spoiler. I want to say it's a GT 350 spoiler. First, I was going to go with the I think this is the track pack. I want to say it's a track pack. But y'all know, I'll probably put a picture on the screen. I was going to get that, but I feel like it was just, like, this is clean, but it's also like smooth, you know? Don't get me wrong, but this is just, come on, bro. You can't sit here and say that that's not clean and that don't go. It's flesh. Those are the mods that I've done. I haven't really done anything else to the car. So Roush, axle back, exhaust. I got a Roush intake, but I mean, as far as like performance-wise, that's really all my baby got. Get into the mods that I want to add to the car. I want to get bigger tires in the back and the front. I feel like it'll make it look more aggressive. Another thing I wanted to get was the LED steering wheel. I found one that was red, carbon, red and black, LED. So performance-wise, after I make the car full bow-tone or whatever, I do want to go boost, really leaning towards the fence of going ESS. Do you have to have an intake manifold to be considered full bow-tone? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments, because I need to be educated, man. But I want to buy some more brake calipers. I was going to paint them red, but then again, I'm like, nah, everybody go red. So I want to do something like blue, maybe blue. If I go blue, then I'll probably do baby blue. But then again, it's like, if I go red, it'll complement the seats in the inside, and it'll also complement the 5.0. So it's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Had to record some type of content. I posted on my community that I was gonna record something, so I made sure I recorded something for you guys, bro. I made sure I recorded something. Shout out to everybody that is subscribing to the channel, bro. That's really dope, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how 185 people subscribe to me on YouTube. If all 185 of y'all came to a room, y'all start running at me, like, bro, I'm gonna run. 185 people is a lot of people. Like, that's intimidating. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. I wanted a Mustang for a long time, man. And when I got it, it was like, dang, like, I really finally got my Mustang. Prior to me getting this car, I did not know how to drive stick. If you get a Mustang, go manual. Like, it's fun, bro. Like, even if you don't know how to drive manual, you having the willingness to learn, bro, you will learn how to drive stick, bro, and you're not gonna regret it. The only way I would not recommend going manual is if you can get a 10-speed. If you can get a 10-speed, man, forget the manual, bro. Just go 10-speed. Speeds are crazy. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all stayed to watch, bro. I know I've been kind of like all over the place. It's new to me, bro, the recording. I'm trying to get used to recording and just trying to get used to it, man. So yeah, I hope y'all liked the video, man. Catch y'all boys on the next video, man.